Here's what most guys miss about flannel suits. They stick to just one approach. Flannel's unique texture actually unlocks 3 distinct styling strategies, and they might just be superior to regular wool. Master these 3 approaches and your flannel suits will work very hard in your wardrobe. What makes flannel different from every other suit fabric? And why does understanding this difference unlock styling possibilities most men never explore? The secret lies in flannel's unique weight and texture. Grasp this concept and you will discover why certain combinations work brilliantly with flannel. But first, have you ever worn the same flannel suit multiple times and felt like you looked exactly the same each time? The majority of guys stick to 1 or 2 safe combinations with their flannel suits. They are missing out on flannel's true versatility because they don't understand what makes it special. The realization that shifted my entire perspective: how do you make flannel work harder in your wardrobe? Here's the game changer. Flannel isn't casual fabric trying to be formal. If you choose a more formal shade like mid-gray, charcoal gray or navy, it's just as formal as your worsted suits. The difference is that it's comfortable, keeps you warm and drapes just as beautifully. This Italian flannel weighs 16.2 ounces. That's quite a heavy fabric, but this weight creates the supreme drape. Notice the difference of this heavy flannel versus this lightweight tropical wool. That's why your flannel becomes your go-to choice from autumn until early spring. Want to go classic? Try a white Oxford Pinpoint, dark purple silk tie, white pocket square, oxblood wingtip Oxfords or black cap-toe Oxfords. Purple against charcoal creates visual depth with its subtle color, while saturated reds and navies would create too much attention that you want to avoid. But what if you need something less formal? That's where our second approach gets interesting. Flannel's secret weapon isn't color, it's texture compatibility. Watch how different fabrics interact. Blue Pinpoint Oxford, blue cotton silk tie with medaillons, beige pocket square with blue medaillons, black wingtip Oxfords. This pattern coordination looks effortless but requires understanding and smart use of accessories. The medaillons create subtle connection without obvious matching. Black shoes ground the look, being completely appropriate for a dark flannel suit. But there's something counterintuitive about the next choice. What happens when we break traditional formality rules entirely? Traditional menswear wisdom says chambray doesn't belong with suits. Traditional wisdom might just limit your personal style development. Here's the contemporary edge. Blue chambray shirt, grey wool tie, beige pocket square with blue medaillons, black penny loafers. Chambray brings interesting texture contrast that dress shirts can't match. The grey wool tie creates a monochromatic look. I usually don't suggest monochromatic looks, but the chambray shirt speaks so much for itself already that the monochromatism harmonizes the entire look. Penny loafers instead of Oxfords? This choice maintains sophistication while acknowledging the outfit's relaxed energy. Notice the pattern. Each outfit respects flannel's unique characteristics differently. One embraces formality, one balances tradition with personal style, one challenges conventional rules. But here's what connects all 3 approaches. Successful flannel styling stays within neutral territories by varying texture. Flannel offers more styling versatility than you initially realize. The magic happens in texture layering, not color contrast. 3 essential principles emerge from these approaches. First, flannel's 16.2 ounce weight creates superior drape compared to lighter fabrics. This weight means the jacket maintains its shape even when you move. The trousers fall cleanly without excessive pressing, and you stay warm without bulky layers underneath. Second, texture contrast unlocks flannel's versatility. Combine smooth Pinpoint Oxford cotton with flannel's brushed surface. Mix chambray's casual texture with wool ties. Layer different fabric weights strategically. Third, flannel in formal colors like charcoal carries the same authority as worsted wool suits. The difference is flannel's texture allows for more casual shirt pairings like chambray, while maintaining sophistication. Apply these principles to any flannel suit. Leverage the superior drape for better fit, explore texture combinations for visual interest, and use flannel's forgiving nature to experiment with more casual elements. But styling the full suit isn't the complete flannel story. The flannel jacket becomes menswear's ultimate smart casual garment, when separated from its matching trousers. From weekend jeans to business casual combinations, the flannel jacket's versatility extends far beyond suit territory. The same principles apply, but the possibilities multiply. Understanding how to style flannel jackets separately unlocks entirely new wardrobe potential. The approach differs significantly from full suit styling, which is exactly why I dedicated an entire video to flannel jacket combinations.